Good morning, students. We'll start our maths class. So all of you take out your textbooks. Semester 1, it is given, no textbook. Take out that one. Page number 80. 8080, it is there, see. Page number 80. Take out all of you. Review exercise they have given, no. Write today's date and day. We'll start this one. So first main, what they have given, complete the series. They have given first main, complete the series. First one, 32, 33, 34, dash, 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 40 they have given here. You can see here the numbers they have given 32, 33, 34. Till dash, dash, dash they have given, till 40 they have given. So what you will fill here, 32, 33, 34, next number, which number? 35. Next, 35 afterwards, 36. Next, 37, 38, 39, 40, already it is written. Like that, you have to fill the blanks. You have to check these numbers. Seeing these numbers, you have to fill this one. Okay? The second one, write down neatly. 51, 52, 53, dash, 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 49 they have given. So what you will fill here, you can see here, 51, 52, 53. So which number you will fill here? 54. Next number, 55. Next, 56, 57, 58. 59 already it is written in your textbooks. Next one, C1. C1, 65, 66, 67, dash, 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 dash. The last one is 73. So here what is the number they have given here? 65, 66, 67. 67. Next number 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 73 already it is written. Next, the D1, 84, 85, 86, dash, 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 92. So here 84 they have given, 85, 86. Next, which number you will write here? 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92 already it is there. So, seeing to these numbers, you have to fill the blanks. Next one, E1, 73, 74, 75. Dash, 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 81. So what you will fill here? You can see 73, 74, 75. Next number 76, 77, 78, 79, 90. 79, 80, 81. See here, 73, 74, 75 it is given. Next, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Complete this one. Copy done fast. Finished? Next, second main. Second main. Fill up the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. In the last class, we have explained about numbers. Yes or no? I have explained about numbers. One digit number is which one? One digit number, smallest number is which one? 0. Biggest is 9. Yes or no? Smallest is 0. One digit number, smallest 0. Biggest 9. Two digit number is smallest, which one? 10. Biggest, which is the biggest two digit number? 99. 99. Next, three digit number, smallest is which one? 100. Biggest is 999. So, 4 digit number next. 4 digit number, smallest is how much? 1000. Biggest $9,999. So, in the last class, I have explained about one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, and 4 digit number. See here, one digit number is the smallest one digit number is 0. The biggest one digit number is 9. The two digit number, the smallest number is 10. Biggest two digit number is 99. 3 digit smallest number is 100. 3 digit biggest number is 999. 4 digit number, smallest number is 1000. Biggest number is 9999. So here they have given some filling the blanks. See here, first one what they have given, the greatest greatest two-digit number. The greatest two-digit number is dash. See here, the greatest two-digit number is dash. Greatest means biggest. Okay, greatest means biggest. Don't get confused. Here greatest they have given, here biggest it is there. Don't get confused. Same meaning it gives. Greatest means biggest. Here, two-digit number is biggest. Which is the biggest number here? 99. Answer is how much? 99. Write down. Next, second one, the least three-digit number is dash. The least three-digit number. Least means what? Smallest. Least means what? Smallest. Greatest means what? Biggest. So here, what is the statement they have given? The least three-digit number is three-digit. Which is the three-digit? Least means smallest. Least means what? Smallest. Three-digit number is which one? 100. So write down answer 100. Understanding all of you? Greatest means biggest. Least means smallest. Okay, understood? Don't get confused. So, the least three-digit number is dash they have given. Three-digit number, which is the three-digit number? Least means smallest number is 100. So, we'll write 100 here. Okay? Next one, third one. The greatest two-digit number formed using the digits 7, 9 is dash. What they have given? First, you should understand what they have given question is. Here, the greatest two-digit number formed using the digit 7 and 9 is. You have to form numbers using these two numbers. Using these two numbers, you have to form the greatest number. Now here, you can see 7 and 9. If you write like this, 79, it will become. So here what they have given? Greatest. Greatest means biggest you have to write. So what I will do? I will write first 9, then 7. So which is the biggest number here? They have asked the greatest two-digit number formed using the digit 7, 9 is dash. So which is the greatest number? If you write same way, it is not greatest. So if you do first, if you write 9, then if you write 7, it will become 97. This one 79. This is smaller. So compared to this one. So what is the answer you will write? 97. Understood all of you? Here, the greatest two-digit number formed. You have to form by using these two numbers. You have to form the bigger number. You have to form the bigger number. If you write 79, it is not the biggest number. If you write 97, this is the biggest number. So we will write 97. Okay, all of you understood this one? Write down. Using these two numbers, you have to form the greatest number. Next. D, the number after 899 is dash. The number after 899 is dash. So after 899 is dash, what it comes? 900. So we'll write 900. Understood all of you? Here the number after 899, what it comes? 900. So we'll write the answer 900. Copy down fast. Next, the greatest three-digit number is dash. So the greatest means biggest three-digit number is dash. Which is the biggest three-digit number? 999. Write down 999. Biggest means greatest only. The same meaning it gives. Greatest, biggest. Least means smallest. Understood? Don't get confused. Next, F 100 more than 376 is dash. 100 more than 376 is dash. Now, for 376, I have to add. More means what you will do? We will add. So, if you add to this one, how much it will become here? 376 plus 100. If I add, how much it will become? 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 1, 4. So how much answer? 476. Understood all of you? Here 100 more than 376 is dash. For 376, 100 if I add, how much it will become? How much it becomes here? You have to add. More means adding. See here. 6 plus 0, 6, 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 476. Copy down fast. Next, G1 100 less than 728 is dash. So here more they have given, yes or no? In F, they have given 100 more than 376. So we have added here. So here you will see 100 less than 728 is dash. So what you will do? Less than means you have to subtract that one. Here 728 minus 100. Less than means you have to minus, you have to subtract there. Here, from 8 if you minus 0, 8. From 2 if you minus 0, 2. From say 7 if you minus 1, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 628. Answer is 628. All understood now? Less than means you have to minus. More than means you have to add. How much ever they give number, you have to add. More than 200 more than they can give. 500 more than they can give. Like that, if they give, you have to add. If they give 100 less than means you have to subtract. Next one. Next. H. $50 divided by 1 is dash. 50 divided by 1 is dash. So how much you'll get? Division you have to do. So 1 you put outside. This 50 you write inside. Understood all of you? This one, how to do? How you should do now this one? In 1 tables, where you will get 50? Where you will get? 1, 50 is a 50. So 1 it is already written. This 50 I should write on top of this. 150 is a 50. Minus this one, 0, 0. The answer is what? 50 itself. Write down. Understood all of you? See here. 50 divided by 1 is dash they have given. You have to do division. So when you do division, you will get the answer 50. Write down. Next. Finish it fast. Don't do this one all working all. Only write only the answer. To make you understand, I have given this one. Next, third main, you see. Write the names described in each box. So here you can see they have given. Write the numbers described in each box. Then use the answer to solve the riddle. So here they have given some numbers. Seeing to each boxes, seeing that one, you then use the answers to solve the riddle they have given. First one you see, they have given 600. Then what they have given? 6 tens. Next 2 ones they have given here. So how you will write this one? How you will write this one? See here. 2 is in ones place. 6 is in tens place. This 6 is in a hundreds place. So how you will write? 2 in ones place, 6 in tens place, this 6 in hundreds place. You can't write like this. So first you have to write ones place, tens place, then hundreds place. Understood? All understood now? Write down. The answer is 662. There, see, it is given. You don't write, it is already there. Yes or no? In your books, it is there. Next one. Next one you see 400, 8 tens, 4 ones. Yes or no? So how you will write? 4 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place. Write on that one. Answer you can write. Next one, 700, 2 tens, 3 ones. So how you will write this one now? 3 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. So what is the letter they have given here? E. Next one, 800, 3 tens, 6 ones. So answer how much? 6 ones place, 3 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place. All understood now how you should write? Yes or no? They have expanded and given. Here number and words they have given. So you have to write the numbers there. That's all. Next. 8 tens, 2 ones. So how you will write this one? 2 in ones place, 8 in tens place. So the letter what they have used? S there. Next, 700, 4 tens, 2 ones. So 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. Next, 9 tens, 0 ones. So answer is 90. Write down. 600, 8 tens, 0 ones. So how you will write this one? 0 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place. So letter is H. Next one. 700, 4 tens, 3 ones. So 3 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. So P you write down. It is already written in your books, need not write. Next one. 300, 0 tens, 6 ones. So how you'll write this one? 6 in ones place, 0 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place. Next one. 9 tens, 2 ones. Answer is 92. 92. Next one, 200. 200s, 0 tens, 7 ones. So answer is 207. Letter is C. Yes or no? Copy down fast. Next, after copy down this one, they have given the question here. What is a sailor's favorite dessert? So, what is his favorite sweet? Dessert means what? Sweet. So, here you can see dashes they have given. Yes or no? 662, 680, 90, 207, 90, 306, 742, 836, 836, next 723. Next one, 662, 90, 90, 92, 484, 723, 82. Like this they have given in your textbooks. Yes or no? So here you can see there. Finished all of you? 2 minutes time I will give. Copy down fast. Finished all of you? See here, you have to find out this one. They have given one question. So seeing to these numbers, you have to fill this one. How to fill this one? So what is the sailor's favorite dessert, sweet? You have to find that one. To find that one, they have given some numbers. On top of that, they have given lines. Yes or no? You have to fill the letters there. See here, 662. 662 they have given. So, where you have 662 here? Here, the first one is 662. What is the letter there? C. Write on C then. Finished? Next, 680. Where is 680? Here, you can find here 680. What is the letter there? H. Write down H. Next, 90 they have given. You have to find where is 90 there. Where it is there? Here. You can see in your textbooks. The third line, first one. This is first one. This is second one. This is third. This is fourth row. This is fourth row. Okay. In the third line, you can see first one 90. So 90 What is the letter they have given? O. Write down O. Understood all of you? Next, 207 they have given. Last one you see in the fourth row, last one you can see 207. So what is the letter there? C. Write down C there. Next one, 90. Again they have given 90. You can write this letter only, which is the letter O. Next, 306. Last, the fourth row, first one. The fourth row, first one you can see 306. What is the letter they have given here? L. Write down L. Okay. Next one, 742. Where is 742? Second row, last one you can see 742. What is the letter there? A. Next one, 836. Where is 836? Second row, first one. Second row, this is first row. Second row, third row, fourth row. Second row, first one, 836. So what is the letter there? T. Write down. Next one, 723. 723. Where is 723? Here you can see. First row, last one, 723. What is the letter they have given? E. Write down. Finished? All of you, first one. Next one you see. Again they have given 662. 662, first one you can see. What is the letter they have given? C. Write down C. Next one, 90 they have given. Third row, first one you can see. O. Again 90, O. 92, where is 92? Here in the fourth row, second one, 92, K. Next, 484. Where is 484? First row, second one. So, first row, second one. What is the letter? I. Write down. I. Next, 723. 723, where it is? First row, last one you can see. 723. What is the letter they have given here? E. Write down. Next, 82 they have given. Yes or no? Last one, 82. Second row, second one you can see what? S. 82, S. So, which is his favorite dessert? Chocolate cookies. So, understood now? You have to find like that. You have to first solve these problems. After solving this problem, you have to write the answer. All of you understood now how to do? Copy down fast. Next one, it is there. See, page number 82. Page number 82, the next page, you have to do as homework. Page number 82. The same way, how I did this one now, the same way you have to do. Page number 82, homework. You'll do now, all of you. You know how to do. First, what you have to do? You have to do the problems. After doing the problems, seeing to this answer, you have to fill the letters. Next, in the next page 82, you have to do as homework. Okay, students, thank you.